For a second, I wasn't sure if I was going to do anything today, but it looks like that my dad is going to the airport, and my brother wants me to come, so I guess we're going to the airport.
Fucking Yukon. Are you out of your goddamn mind? Ugh. Look here, nigga. Show that shit. I will fucketh you up.
So it's like 10 o'clock. We just dropped my dad off at the airport. Now we're going back home. I got a headache because I really want to go to sleep. But on the way driving here, I realized how easy it is to die on this damn highway. It's hot. Fuck this highway for real. But yeah, we're driving back home. I really want to go to sleep, but fuck.
Dude, imagine if we were in Miami during rush hour.
How's Miami during rush hour?
How's Miami during rush hour? Basically, the streets of Miami are like this highway plus 80 more cars. And half of them don't know how to drive. Let that sink in.
Look, this is the highway we're on right now.
Broward Boulevard, downtown. Exit 27 is
fuck all of you hoes. I'm ballin' out of control. I'm ballin'
Press my keys, didn't get caught.
I'm ballin' out of control. I'm ballin' out of control.
It smells nice in here.
Those are new car scent. It doesn't smell like new car.
It just smells like, I don't know, like air freshener.
Yeah.
I apologize for the vlog not being that great, but I'm going to be perfectly honest. All we did was drop off my dad at the airport over at Fort Lauderdale, so we didn't really do much. By the time the vlog got to the part where I got into Adrian's car, we still didn't do much. We couldn't figure out what we wanted to do, and so we ended up driving around. We went to Wendy's to go fuck with Oscar, because Oscar works at Wendy's. But other than that, we ended up just going back home, and I ended up just chilling, so yeah. Really wasn't much of a vlog. So this is my apology, but hey, that's why we always have the future. There's more vlogs to come.